start again. It's a redskin.
Hello queens, it's your girl Malika. Today we're going to be installing and reviewing this 12-inch lace parts mixed color bob. This unit was really easy to install. So if you want to see how I got this look, how I installed it and flat ironed it and all that jazz, you know what to do, queens. Stay tuned. Alright queens, so we're going to take it out of the box. Again, this is a 12-inch mixed color highlight bob wig, middle part lace wig. Alright, so here is the box for LuvMeHair. In the box we have the units. We have a bag full of goodies, some lashes, some earrings. This looks like a keychain, I think, a scrunchie, and some press-on nails. Really cute. It also comes with a comb. So I'm gonna put all of this back in the box. I think I'm gonna put on the earrings. Okay, here is the unit right here. It has highlighted parts in the front and then the rest of it is black. Okay, so let me get what I need to put on the unit and then we'll get started with the installation. Okay, so now I'm just going to take off the unit that I have on. Okay, so it comes with a middle part lace, a comb on each side at the back, and then a comb at the bottom with adjustable straps in the inside of the wig. So I'm going to adjust those straps. Okay, now I'm going to cut the lace off the middle part. Okay, now I'm just going to flat iron it a little bit. The hair is really soft. Easy to maintain so far. Not getting a lot of shedding. I really like this color. I really like how it feels. It's super soft. I'm not getting a lot of shedding. It flat irons really nicely. Alright, I think that's good. I really like this unit though. If you like this unit as well, I will have a code to give you guys at the end, but so far I'm loving this unit. The color, the highlight in the front just sets it off. I really like that part of the unit. It's super soft, really flowy, was really easy to flat iron. I have no complaints about this unit. If you like it as well, you can use my code Malika at checkout to get some money off of this unit. I will leave all of the information in the description box of this for this unit. But I'm really liking it. I hope you guys like it as well. This was fun. I will see you queens on the next one. Bye.